In today's video, I have an unboxing and first impression of Star Men Nebula by Fragrance World. This one's supposed to be an inspiration of Terry Mugler's Pure Malt. I haven't smelled Pure Malt myself, but I'll give you guys my interpretation and my first impression of Star Men Nebula. Stay tuned. Fragrance family, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dash and this is the 411. Guys, on this channel we talk fashion, fitness, and fragrance, and of course boosting and building your confidence, all right? If that's something you're interested in, make sure you hit the like button, of course hit that subscribe button as well. To my returning viewers, thanks for coming back, show me love. I do appreciate it. Salute to you guys. And guys, as I mentioned in today's video, I do have an unboxing and first impression of Star Men Nebula. Now guys, I seen this scent some time ago and I never thought we would actually get it here on our discounted websites, because this is a Middle Eastern scent, or it's from a Middle Eastern company, and it's very hard to get your hands on some of these fragrances, all right? So I'm glad when I looked on Fragrance Buy, I actually seen this on there and I had to get it for sure, because guys, it's been about over a year that I've seen this in reviews and wanted to actually get my nose on it. So as I mentioned guys, this one is a clone of Terry Mugler's Pure Malt. This one is called Star Men Nebula from Fragrance World. All right, so let's get into the unboxing and I'll show you the scent immediately. So guys, here's the box itself. You got the authenticity sticker up there. It says it's an eau de parfum. Star Men Nebula, I'm guessing is the type of fragrance this is. I'm assuming they have other Star Men scents in their collection, but this one just called it Nebula, all right? So guys, I'm very interested in this, as I mentioned guys, very hyped. I've wanted to get my nose in the scent for a long time, but I didn't know how I was gonna get it shipped from all the way over there, and I'm so glad we have it here now. So guys, I ordered this 9 p.m. and I got it 7 p.m. the following day, guys. I live in Canada, so Fragrance Buy is just really technically an hour away from where I am, and they can ship the stuff within 1 business day, so I'm very thankful for that. So guys, we're gonna go ahead and get this bad boy opened and I'll show you guys, or tell you guys, what I think about this particular fragrance. Okay, so there's a better shot of the box. You got the details on the back. Star Men Nebula on the front. You do have a slight pattern there on the sides. And at the bottom, details about the expiration date and writing in, I believe, Arabic. Don't quote me on that, all right? So guys, let's get this bad boy opened. Okay, so that's the Fragrance World authenticity sticker. Again, my first Fragrance World scent, so I'm not sure what that's supposed to look like. It is 100 ml, 3.4 fluid ounces. Guys, I'm smelling this already. Wow, okay, so as soon as you crack that box open, you're gonna get hit with that blast. Okay, so there is nothing else in the box. So guys, here is the bottle itself, okay? Star Men Nebula. The bottle, I like the shape of this. It's kind of concave. It's, as you guys can see there, shaped a little bit different. You can see that juice color right in there. You got that cap, right? Pretty good quality cap too. Not too heavy, but definitely like the cap. There's the atomizer there. You got details on the bottom for Fragrance World. So guys, it's glass at the front and some kind of, I believe it's plastic at the back, but it feels kind of metallic as well. So really like the presentation, very simple, you know. The cap snaps into place. Let's check out this atomizer, guys. Couple sprays, ooh, big blast. Okay, all right guys, again, I don't know what Pure Malt smells like, so I have nothing to compare this to. I'm just gonna kind of rate this by itself as a standalone fragrance, okay? Off the atomizer, I'm getting masculine type of vibes. I'm getting masculine vibes, guys. Okay, I'm liking what I smell so far. Again, Pure Malt, I guess this is what malt would smell like. It does smell malty, let's just say. We get a couple sprays on skin. Okay guys, I'm liking what I get off skin so far. Of course, it's boozy, but it's also sweet fruits. You get some oranges up top, you get some citrus up top. Very bright. Surprisingly, this is a bright, citrusy, sweet, boozy type of scent. It is kind of woody as well. You do get a touch of, I'm assuming, amber in here as well. Guys, I'm liking this one. I think it's gonna leave a nice sillage. From what I'm getting as far as projection, I could assume this is gonna leave a nice sillage. I'm getting about maybe 2 feet of good projection here, and that was only about 2 sprays or so. I feel like it's gonna last as well. The scent hasn't changed that much. It's just sitting there dense on my skin. So I'm gonna assume I'm gonna get decent projection and decent longevity with this one. So guys, I'm really liking this one so far, guys. Again, in a nutshell, with the opening, you're getting sweet fruits with some whiskey undertones. You're getting some sweetness that resembles vanilla. Again, orange is what I'm picking up. I'm picking up sweet fruits with orange, whiskey, vanilla, and some woods, and that's just off the top. As this thing kind of, gets down into the dry down into the base, like I think this is gonna get a lot better than what it's smelling right now. So far, it seems like a very crowd-pleasing scent. I could see this being mass appealing. Guys, as far as confident boosters, I think this is one that's gonna help boost your confidence. You're gonna feel good when you spray this one on because you're gonna get noticed. And of course, guys, don't let the fragrance wear you, you wear the fragrance, all right? So far, I'm loving the vibes, man. This is giving really nice vibes. Again, I do like the fact that this one is a little bit more masculine, guys. With the gourmand scents that you typically get, it does lean kind of unisex, but this one is a standout masculine fragrance. It's not too harsh, not too in your face, but it definitely, projects and gets your present known and felt at the same time. So guys, as far as Star Men Nebula, guys, I'm gonna give this one an 8.5 out of 10. I'm really feeling it right now. The vibe it's given is really good. I gotta see what the projection and longevity is like for me to give it a proper rating, but right now, 8.5 as far as Star Men Nebula for my first impression, guys. Definitely one I think you should pick up and keep in your collection. Price point is not bad either, guys. Pick this up for about $39 on Fragrance Buy, of course. Make sure you use your coupons. Don't pay full price for anything these days, especially these days with the economy the way it is. This one's a keeper, guys. This one's a keeper. Get it in your collection. Get it while you can. So guys, this one is a fragrance you could wear if you're going out with the boys, even if you're going out with your girl as well. It's sweet enough and vanillic enough where it could be considered a date night scent, but just something you don't want to wear to work. This is not really workplace friendly, but as far as different events, I could see you wearing this one. So it is pretty versatile, but as I mentioned, in the cooler months is where you're gonna want to wear this one. Spring, fall, and winter, definitely winter for sure. But guys, I'm loving what this one is offering right now, guys. It's putting me in a really good mood. It is a mood boosting scent. Again, orange citruses just do that to you when it's done well, and when you put in some sweetness like vanilla, those type of scents that I like. The booziness is definitely helping as well. It's soothing, it's calm, it's relaxing, it's all those things wrapped into one, guys. You're definitely gonna like this one, and if you can, get your hands on it, all right? So guys, that's my first impression of Star Man Nebula. I hope you like this. If you want more unboxing and more Middle Eastern scents, definitely hit the like button, hit the subscribe button as well, because I do have some great scents on the way. In the meantime, I hope you guys are staying safe, staying blessed, and of course, smelling good, because I know I am. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.